Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our next part of our syllabus. See everyone, Revati's musical plants. This lesson is reduced from your syllabus. This lesson is for self-study. Okay. But some questions of this lesson which is related to language study and grammar, that is for your, these questions are we are going to now take, because these questions are not reduced from your syllabus. Okay. See everyone, question number 3. It is related to grammar part. Okay, it is related to grammar part. Question number 3. We have to these questions are very important for your it is very important for related to language study and grammar question. Okay. Now see question number 3a. A word chain consists of word of a certain category that begins with the letter that the previous word has ended with. Here we are going to learn now how to make the chain. Sometime we are going to make the chain of adjective, chain of noun, chain of verb, okay, chain of adverb, like this way. These are the different part of speech we are going to. Now here is given, complete the word chain adding 4 nouns from the text. Okay, from the text. We are now not related because we not learn this text. Then we are taking here different nouns. Okay, we are not taking the nouns from lesson. We are using our own nouns here. Okay, we are now see, for example, here is given first word is music. Last letter of this music is C. Then from C, the next noun is courtyard. Courtyard. Then last letter of this word is D. Then we are going to write here now from started the word noun D. Okay, we can write there drum. Okay, D-R-U-M, drum. Then M for M से start होने वाला word M, mouse. Okay, mouse is also noun. Drum is noun, then mouse. Last letter of mouse is E. Then next word is egg. Okay, egg, we can write there egg. Then G is last letter of the egg. Then from G we are going to write grape. Like this way we can make the noun chain. Like this way there are many verb chain, adverb chain or adjective chain. When there is adjective, then we are going to write only adjective. If there is nouns, we are write only nouns. If there is adverb, only adverbs. Okay, like this way we can make the chain. Then next, B, add the appropriate prefix to make the following words opposite in meaning. Here we are going to write the opposite. We want to make this join this prefix which make the opposite word of this word. Okay, here is word continue. Continue, opposite of continue is discontinue. We are joining the prefix there dis. Okay, dis, discontinue. Then next is definite. We are writing there in. Before that definite, we are joining the prefix in, indefinite. Okay, place, displace. Okay, D-I-S-P-L-A-C, displace. Possible, impossible, I-M we are joining their prefix. Believe, disbelieve. Known, unknown. Okay, we are joining here, dis we are joining. Then certain, uncertain, UN. Important, unimportant. Okay, and regular, irregular. Like this way we can write the irregular. IR we can join their prefix IR, irregular. Okay, like this way we can make the opposite with the help of prefix. Then next, use the following expressions to make sentence of your own. You have to make your own sentence using this phrase. Okay, then make up one's mind. Make up one's minds means what we are going to write these words into. We have to make the sentence. Okay, make up one's mind means these words we have to write into your own sentences. Okay, then next question is, okay, you have to find this meaning in this lesson. There are given these phrases meaning, and with the help of this meaning you can write these in your own sentence. Okay, means you have to make your own sentence. Then for example, I am going to tell one scene. Knew no bound means had no limit. Had no limit. Then how we are writing this sentence? There had been no limit for his eating. Understood? Like this way you can make the sentence of other. Find these words meaning in the means beside of the lesson. Okay, and write this sentence in your own sentences. Then next, imagine there is a this question is not for the means this question is reduced, question number 4. Okay, then next question we will learn next period. Okay, thank you. Everyone write this in your notebook, in grammar notebook. All these question number 3, A, B, C. These all the means you have to write in your notebook. Okay, thank you.